Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So, Scorpio people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? So, Scorpio, this is your current energy, Two of Wands. Scorpio people, are you guys seeing your person from here? Okay, is it so? Are you guys seeing your person moving out from this relationship? Or perhaps you are seeing your person who is coming towards you? Either your person is coming towards you or your person is moving out from this relationship. These two things are coming into my mind right now. Okay, let's discuss about your current energy, Scorpio. Two of Wands. Scorpio people, I feel that you are being somebody who is waiting to hear from something or from someone, okay, about something. You are being, you are at this point of time, you are not going anywhere. You just want to stick to this place only. You are not, you don't want to miss a second of your life, okay, just to get that confirmation of, okay, about something from someone. Okay, you are eagerly waiting to hear from somebody. You are eagerly waiting to see somebody. Scorpio people, I feel that you have huge amount of opportunities in front of you, but it's you who is ignoring all those opportunities, okay? And you are just focusing on only on one thing, okay, as of now. I mean, you are just putting all your focus, all your efforts towards one thing in your life, okay? At this point of time, I feel that some of you could be working towards their finances, their goals, their jobs. So you are being somebody who don't want to move an inch from this place. You just want to be here, okay? Perhaps you are waiting for any confirmation, okay? This confirmation can be for a job. This confirmation can be for a relationship or from a specific person, okay? So you don't want to move anywhere. You are just still standing still here, okay? You have this globe in your hand. That means you have immense opportunities ahead in your life, but it's you who is not choosing, who is not seeing, or who don't want to see the opportunities which are just in front of you. And rather than doing so, you are just being focused on one particular thing, one particular person, one particular job, one particular location. Okay, so this is your current energy, Scorpio. Six of Swords. Scorpio people, I feel that your person wants to move out from certain situation, certain place, certain relationship. Um, it could also happen that they have, got a new job, okay, and they must be relocating some new location, okay? Perhaps they have got a new offer, okay? Perhaps they have got something new. Perhaps they must be shifting or, settling down into a new city or a new society or a new province or a new country or a new continent, okay? So I feel that this person is taking along their family with, I mean, this person is taking their family along with them, okay, wherever they are going right now, okay? It can be their deeds also, it can be their good and bad karmas also, okay? And I feel that this person has left all hopes in life, okay? They just want to restart their life, okay? They just want to reconfirm what is going to be there in their what is going to be in their life in future. Okay, so they are kind of moving out of from something, from somewhere. Okay, now let's see, Scorpio, how you see your person and how they see you. Nine of Pentacles, Judgment. They see you, I mean, you see them as somebody who is very you know, who has everything in life, but still they are isolated. Okay, they have home, they have pet, they have I mean, they have money, they have abundance into their life. Okay, they are calm, composed, independent, happy. You know, I mean, you feel you see them as somebody who loves themselves a lot. Okay, and or you also feel that this person loves nature, this person is a nature lover, this person is a pet lover, this person has so many, a lot of compassion within their heart and mind. This person is like so humble. Okay, this person is so kind hearted. Okay, so calm, so composed. Okay, so mature, right? On the other hand, Scorpio, your person sees you, Judgment card, that you are somebody who is very down to earth. Okay, who knows when to talk, what to say. Okay, with whom you should talk. Okay, you are being somebody who is mature. You are being somebody, I mean, they see you as someone who is, who knows what is good for you or what is bad for you. Okay, who knows who you know, who must be in, I mean, they see you as someone who do a lot of introspection. Okay, you always check on your, you know, emotions, okay, before talking to the other person. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is very mature. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Okay, 10 of Pentacles, 9 and 10. And how they feel about you, Scorpio. So we have 10 of Pentacles. So Scorpio, you feel about them as they are somebody who has everything in life. They are the blessed souls. They are someone who has everything in life, be it emotion, be it, I mean, be it home, be it material things, be it kids, be it family, be it friends, be it loved ones, be it abundance, prosperity, happiness. They feel, I mean, you feel about them that they are they are the one who has everything in life. Okay, uh, perhaps you guys are married. Okay, perhaps this person is your spouse. Okay, this can also be happen. Okay, Scorpio, on the other hand, with this 8 of Pentacle cards, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is a hard worker. Okay, they see you as somebody who puts a lot of efforts to, you know, to do something in life. Okay, be it on emotional level, be it on financial level, be it on any other aspect of your life. So your person feels about you, Scorpio, that my Scorpio person, you know, puts all their heart and mind into this particular thing. Okay, they put a lot of efforts. Okay, so you ask your Scorpio people, I mean, they feel about you in that way that once I'll say something to Scorpio people, they'll make sure that they'll do that. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is a hard worker, who knows, who values their work, who respects their work. Okay, okay, now let's see, Scorpio, how you feel in this relationship and the how they feel in this relationship. Wow, Sun, you feel happy. You feel happy. Oh my God. You feel happy, you feel bright in this relationship. You feel that this relationship has bring a lot of light into your life. You feel that this relationship and this person has bring a lot of clarity in your life. You feel happy with them. You feel you just want to cherish them. You just want to cherish this relationship. You just want to be in this relationship. You just want to, you know, want them into your life. Okay, complete happiness you feel with them. Their presence, makes you really happy, makes you really cheerful. Okay, on the other hand, your person feels about this relationship as something that which bothers them. Okay, sometimes they feel, they feel that there are at some point of time they feel that, um, not, I won't say that they feel heartbroken in this relationship, or they feel anything negative in this relationship, but I feel that they are little worried, or they are scared about their own past relationships. Okay, they are the one who must have seen a lot of bad emotion, good and bad phases in their life. And yes, perhaps they are being somebody who has seen, um, who has dealt with the negative people. Okay, who must have some bad relationship experiences in life. Okay, so they are like little tied up with those negative emotions into their life. Okay, but I feel that as long as you are positive and confident about this relationship, they can be in this relationship. Okay, you need to be strong enough to hold this person. You need to be strong enough to uh, you know put this to pull this person out from this energy. Okay. Okay, Scorpio, now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Scorpio. What's going to be the, oh my god, Wheel of Fortune. Scorpio people, your time, if you guys are apart, apart from each other, if there is a distance between you and your person, if there is this less communication and zero communication, if there is any kind of any sort of a negative thing, or some is going on this relationship, then you need to be rest assured that your time is about to come. Okay, your time is about to come. Wheel of Fortune is saying to me that your time is about to come, your lucky time is about to come. Perhaps this person is moving towards you. Perhaps this person must have not spoken to you in the last, from the last so many time, so many days or so many months. But now I'm seeing with this Wheel of Fortune card, this person must be coming towards you. That's why I feel that I told you in the beginning that you are waiting for something or somebody, or for some kind of a confirmation. Perhaps I'm seeing that you are waiting for your person. I'm seeing you waiting for them. Okay, it's you who is waiting for your person. Perhaps this person is not moving out from this relationship. Perhaps I told you in the beginning, perhaps they are the one who wants to be with you, and they must be, doing a lot of efforts to be in this relationship. Okay, to be with you. Okay, to talk to you. Okay, so there must be a lot of geographical distance between you two. But now I feel that they are uh, taking step towards you. Okay, all you need to be strong enough. I told you, you need to be strong enough to pull your person out from this negative energy. And Wheel of Fortune is also saying the same thing. You need to be strong enough to be, you just be patient. Okay, have patience, you will get what you deserve. Okay. So let's see what angels are saying to you. What angels are saying to my Scorpio people. What angels are saying to my... There's something better. There is something better. Don't think negative about this card. Okay, there's something better. It could be in any way. Okay, perhaps your person must be uh, let me just clarify why the angels are saying this. No, communicate clearly. Communicate clearly. Scorpio, I feel your time is still yet to come. You need to be very patient. You need to be very strong. Okay, I feel that angels are saying that no, I mean, perhaps this is not the correct time, okay? Perhaps future is also not bringing them back into your life, okay? So you need to be strong, okay? You need to be very optimistic in this relationship. You need to be very strong-headed in this relationship, okay? Anything can be happen. This is the wheel of fortune, so anything can be happen. Don't think negative about it. Don't think negative, okay? Whatever happens happens for a reason. There must be something good for you, okay? So Scorpio people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 2 of wands. We have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading with 9 of pentacles and 10 of pentacles and 8 of pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 6 of swords and 8 of swords, okay? Yeah, and we have two major arcanas in this reading, the sun and the wheel of fortune. So you need to be, I mean, you should not be worried about anything, okay? Because when your time will come, your person will definitely come back into your life, okay? So yeah, so Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.